Is your money trapped? Like, literally trapped? You signed up for Rocket Money, those slick graphs, the promised savings, the cancellation button that seemed too good to be true, and now you're wondering, can I actually get my money out of this thing? Because let's be real, we've all been there. We see a tool, a service, a subscription that promises to fix our finances, streamline our lives, and suddenly we're handing over our bank details like it's a winning lottery ticket. But then, the honeymoon phase fades. The realization sets in. You're not sure if it's working, if you need it, or if you even understand how it works anymore. And when that happens, the first question that pops into your head isn't about the features, it's about the exit strategy. Today, we're diving deep into that question. Can you get your money out of Rocket Money? We're not just going to give you a yes or no answer and leave you hanging. We're going to break down exactly how Rocket Money works, what money it actually holds, and what steps you need to take to reclaim your financial freedom. First, let's address the elephant in the room. What money are we even talking about? Rocket Money, at its core, is a financial management tool. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to give you a consolidated view of your finances. It helps you track spending, identify recurring subscriptions, and even negotiate bills. But it's not a bank. It's not a holding account in the traditional sense. So, when you ask, "Can I get my money out?" you're not asking if you can withdraw funds from a Rocket Money savings account. You're asking, "Can I disconnect my bank account safely? Can I cancel my premium subscription and stop paying? Can I stop using the bill negotiation service and regain control? And most importantly, am I in control of my financial data?" Let's start with the basics, disconnecting your accounts. Rocket Money uses a secure connection, often through third-party aggregators like Plaid, to access your financial data. This allows it to pull your transactions, balances, and subscription information. When you want to disconnect, you can typically do so directly within the app settings. Look for the linked accounts or connections section. There, you should find an option to remove or unlink your accounts. However, simply disconnecting your accounts doesn't erase your data. Rocket Money, like many other financial apps, retains some data for a period of time, as outlined in their privacy policy. This is often for analytical purposes, improving their services, or complying with legal requirements. So, what about those premium features? Rocket Money offers a paid subscription that provides access to features like bill negotiation, advanced budgeting tools, and net worth tracking. If you've subscribed, you can cancel your subscription at any time through the app settings or through your device's App Store subscription management. The process is usually straightforward, but it's crucial to understand the timing. If you cancel mid-billing cycle, you may still have access to the premium features until the end of that cycle. However, you won't be charged again. Now, let's talk about the bill negotiation service. This is where things can get a little more nuanced. Rocket Money's bill negotiation service works by contacting your service providers on your behalf to try to lower your bills. They often take a percentage of the savings they achieve. If you decide you no longer want to use this service, you can typically cancel it within the app. However, it's important to understand the terms of the agreement. If Rocket Money has already negotiated a lower bill, they may be entitled to their percentage of the savings, even if you cancel the service. The key here is transparency. Before using the bill negotiation service, carefully review the terms and conditions. Understand how the fees are calculated and what happens if you cancel the service. And that brings us to the most important question, control. Do you feel in control of your finances while using Rocket Money? Or does it feel like you're handing over the reins to a black box? The truth is, any financial tool requires a certain level of trust. You're trusting the company to handle your data securely and to act in your best interests. However, it's essential to be an informed user. Here are a few tips to ensure you maintain control. Read the privacy policy, understand what data Rocket Money collects, how it's used, and how it's protected. Review the terms of service. Pay attention to the fine print, especially regarding fees, cancellation policies, and data retention. Monitor your accounts, regularly check your bank statements and credit card activity to ensure everything is accurate. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Protect your Rocket Money account and your linked accounts from unauthorized access. Regularly review connected accounts. Periodically verify that the accounts connected to Rocket Money are still the ones you intend to be connected. Understand the data aggregation process. Research how Rocket Money connects to your accounts and what security measures are in place. Be aware of phishing scams. Never share your Rocket Money login credentials or bank account information with anyone via email or text message. In essence, getting your money out of Rocket Money is less about withdrawing funds and more about regaining control of your financial data and subscriptions. You can disconnect your accounts, cancel your subscription, and stop using the bill negotiation service. But it's crucial to understand the process and the terms of the agreement. Ultimately, Rocket Money is a tool. Like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. If you're using it to gain a better understanding of your finances and make informed decisions, it can be a valuable asset. But if you feel like you're losing control, it's time to reevaluate. Remember, your financial security is paramount. Don't be afraid to ask questions, do your research, and take the necessary steps to protect your money and your data. It is always important to be vigilant when it comes to financial apps and services. Many of these apps provide valuable services, but it is important to understand how they work and what data they collect. When you are signing up for any financial app, be sure to read the terms of service and privacy policy carefully. Be aware of what data the app collects, how it is used, and how it is protected. If you are not comfortable with the app's data collection or privacy practices, do not sign up for the service. Also, be sure to keep your app updated to the latest version. App updates often include security patches that can help protect your data. If you are ever concerned about the security of your data, contact the app's customer support team. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure that your financial data is safe and secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.